Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to take a screenshot on MacBook Pro M5. To take a full screen screenshot, use the shortcut of Command-Shift-3, which will immediately take a screenshot of your device's entire screen, and the screenshot itself will appear in the bottom right corner of your device's display. Here we can edit the screenshot using the quick edit tools, which are available after clicking this pencil icon, and you will be able to see them at the top bar of your screenshot. If you want to take a screenshot of a particular area of your screen, use Command-Shift-4 combination of keys. This will change your mouse pointer into the crosshair like this, which you'll be able to use to select an area that you want to take a screenshot of. And once you release your trackpad, the screenshot will be taken. The third way of taking a screenshot is by pressing Command-Shift and 5, which will open an entire capture menu. And in this menu, we'll be able to adjust to select any kind of screenshot that we want to take. So let me just close this thing. So right here at the bottom, you will see the capture options. So we have the selected area screenshot as a third option. The second one is the window screenshot. Okay, so something is laggy here. Let me get rid of this. Okay, so after pressing Command-Shift-5, you'll be able to either use the selected portion capture, the window capture, which will let you click on any window you have on your screen to take a screenshot of it. And the first one is the full screen screenshot, which we have right here. And to take an entire screen screenshot, just click Capture. Also in Options, which is the last thing we have in the capture menu, we can adjust the screenshot settings, so we can choose the capture format at the bottom, and so we can also choose whether we want to show the mouse pointer and the final destination where our screenshots will be saved. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.